Hey everybody, it's me, Max. I'm so glad you are joining me for story time. I'm excited to find out what book we are going to read. So let's find out with Mr. Narrator. Take it away.
Thanks, Max. Well, is everyone ready for the story? Great, let's go. Today's book is I Really Like Slop by Willems. La la la, as Gerald's walking towards Piggie. Hi, Gerald. Hi, Piggie. Yikes! What is that? This is Slop. Slop? Yummy, yummy slop. Yummy? You eat that? Sure, I eat this. Pigs really like slop. Eating slop is part of pig culture. Oh. Should it smell like that? Sniff. Pop. Yes. What about all those flies? The flies are how you know it is ripe. The flies say, "Yeah, man." Do you want to try my slop? Do I want to try your slop? No way! Oh. Okay. Piggie said. Piggie's walking away. Walk, 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 walk. The flies are following him. Piggie! Wait! Yes, Gerald? I will gulp. Try your slop. Yay! Maybe you will really like slop. Maybe. Try a big taste. I will try a small taste. Pluck. That is a small taste. You're close to trying slop. You're closer. Closer. You tried it. Erp. Eek. Spicy, huh? Do you know how I get that old shoe taste? Ack. Oop. Old shoes. Irk, 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 irk. So, do you really like slop? No. I do not really like slop. But I'm glad I tried it. Because I really like you. Oh, Gerald. Dessert? Don't push it, bub. The end. Can you find the pigeon?
I like this story. Piggie really wanted Gerald to try her slop, and it did not look very appealing, and Gerald did not want to try it at all. But because he saw that Piggie really wanted him to try it, he decided to try it to make Piggie happy, and it was absolutely gross, and he did not like it, but he was glad he tried it anyway, and Piggie was happy that Gerald tried it too. I think it's very good for us to try new things, especially foods, and sometimes we like them a lot. I didn't know I liked pizza until I tried it, so it's a good thing to do. All right, well, until next time, bye everyone.